Too busy for LinkedIn? That's exactly why you need it. Lawyers and founders don't need more to do, just better strategy. You're running a practice, building a business, managing clients, putting out fires, and trying to carve out time for a personal life. The last thing you need is another platform demanding attention. LinkedIn feels like that extra to-do list item that never gets checked off. It's where you go when you have time, which, let's be honest, never happens. The myth of too busy professionals often treat LinkedIn like a networking event they don't have time to attend. They assume it's full of self-promotion, recruiters, and fluff. That's because most people use it wrong. LinkedIn isn't about constant posting or mindless scrolling. It's about intentional visibility, showing up where your clients, peers, and referral partners already are. You don't need to do LinkedIn every day. You just need a strategy that aligns with your goals.